Hello guys, welcome to Sim Tech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to trade LYS signals on the EVFEX platform. Okay, so right now it's signal time, and let me go to my Telegram account, but before that let me make some introduction. Okay, EVFEX is a trading platform that we trade cryptocurrency, we trade on futures and cryptocurrencies. Okay, and the LYS is another entity that provides the signal. Okay, so these are two platforms that we combine to make money. Okay, so when we get the signal from the LYS platform, then we come to the EVS account and we trade the signal on. Okay, so right now it's signal time, and let me go to my LYS platform. Okay, so this is done on Telegram. They give the signals on Telegram so that you can trade it very well. Okay, so now it's signal time. Let me open my Telegram account. So I am in the LYS investment group, and the admin Bruce Alexander Don will be giving us the signal. Okay, so now he said open your EVFEX account and welcome the fourth signal. Okay, so we trade 4 times a day. Okay, we trade 4 times a day. You can see that this is the growth. Okay, they've provided the signal, so let me show you guys how they trade this signal. You can see the trading code has been posted. Okay, the trading code have been posted, so I just reacted to the trading code. Okay, so what I have to do now is to copy this code. Okay, I'll just copy the code and go to my EVFEX account and trade with it. Okay, so let me open my EVFEX account. So this is my account right now, and to trade you just need to click on this trade button over here. After that, you click on this follow up. Since we are following the signal, you don't need to trade by yourself over here. Just click on the follow up. After that, you need to enter the code you copied. Okay, so the code you copied over here, you will enter that code at this section. Okay, so I'll just paste in the code over here. Then I'll click on the search to search for the code. After that, I'll click on this follow up. Then I'll click on confirm. Okay, so we just traded right now. This is a very simple way of trading using the LYS signal. Okay, so just click on the history over here, and you can see these are some of the code I've been trading. Okay, there's a lot of codes I've traded since I joined the platform. Okay, so now what we traded currently is pending over here, and we need to wait for a few minutes for it to be successful. Okay, so if this video helped you or guide you on how you can trade LYS signals on the EVFEX platform, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.